Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pizza. Step 1, you get a piece of foil, spread a little cornmeal so your pizza crust don't stick. Lay your pizza crust down like this. Why is she so focused like that? I think she got something up her sleeve. Y'all gonna want to stay tuned for this one. Step 2, grab the bag and shuffle that piece of pizza sauce. Because inflation of tomatoes is ridiculous to me. But we gotta get it or we don't eat. Period. Okay, y'all, so she made her pizza into a shape. And y'all gonna see what she gonna do with this cheese. Just stay tuned. Get y'all mozzarella cheese. Spread it on y'all pizza like this. Here's my medium pizza. And the grande, extra large pizza. And here's the pizza with cheese crust that she made. She got real big. But yeah, you go ahead and get your little toppings. You got little pepperonis and turkey pepperonis. We also got us some cooked turkey sausage. Y'all can add whatever y'all like. And some onions. Here's some my green peppers. And you put it together on a pizza like so. First one is my second grande pizza. And y'all, she was just so happy with the way her pizza turned out. She was proud of herself, and I was too. So, y'all looking for something to get into with y'all kids this fall? Go ahead, do this. Bye.